Magandang hapon, Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ako nga pala si Justin Moica. Narito ang mga sitwasyon ngayon dito sa Pilipinas tungkol sa droga. The drug problem in the Philippines has primarily been viewed as an issue of law enforcement and criminality. Mostly, the cause of addiction of shabu is poverty, unemployment, and social inequality. At yun lamang po. Maraming salamat at magandang hapon.